Next lesson is agriculture. Next lesson is agriculture. Telangana agriculture, particularly Telangana agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of economy. Agriculture, agriculture is the backbone of agriculture is the backbone of state economy. Agriculture is the backbone of state economy. Backbone of state economy. Generally, the term agriculture is a Latin word. Agriculture is a Latin word. Agriculture is a Latin word. Agri means, for example, agri means one is agri and second thing is culture. One is agri and second one is culture. Agri means soil. Agri means soil and culture means cultivation. Agriculture is the backbone of state economy. Generally, agriculture is a Latin word. The term agri means soil, culture means cultivation. Totally, it is known as soil cultivation. Okay, next one is generally agriculture practiced different type of methods. Agriculture practice different type of methods. For example, one is different type of agriculture methods practiced in the state of Telangana. One is different type of agriculture methods practiced in Telangana state. One is extensive agriculture. One is and second one is shifting type of agriculture. Shifting type of agriculture. And the third one is commercial agriculture. Different type of agriculture methods are forming in the state of Telangana. Different type of agriculture methods forming in the state of Telangana. One is forming in the state of Telangana. What are they? There one is extensive agriculture and second one is shifting type of agriculture and third one is commercial agriculture. Now we are discussing about extensive agriculture. What are the main objectives of extensive agriculture? Characters of extensive agriculture. For example, extensive agriculture. This type of agriculture methods are forming at plain areas. Next one, modern technology utilized frequently. Frequently utilized in this method. Next one, less manpower. These are main characters of extensive agriculture. These are main characters of extensive agriculture. One is extensive agriculture or farming in plain areas. One is second one is modern technology frequently utilized in this agriculture method. Next one, less manpower utilized in this agriculture. These are important characters of extensive agriculture. Second, shifting type of agriculture. So generally, shifting type of agriculture. One is, what are the important characters of shifting type of agriculture? Characters of shifting type of agriculture. Characters of simple subsistence shifting type of agriculture characters. One is, generally it is farming by tribal peoples. It is farming by tribal peoples. One is, next one, this type of agriculture cultivating at agency areas. Generally, one is shifting type of agriculture. What are the important characters of shifting type of agriculture? Shifting type of agriculture, it is farming by the tribal peoples. అంటే గిరిజనులు మాత్రమే ఈ రకమైన వ్యవసాయం చేస్తారు. జనరల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ కల్టివేటింగ్ అట్ ఏజెన్సీ ఏరియా, పర్టికులర్లీ ఇన్ హిల్ రీజియన్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, old agriculture tools utilized. Old agriculture tools utilized in this agriculture method. అంటే పురాతన వ్యవసాయ పనిముట్లను ఎక్కువగా ఉపయోగిస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఓల్డ్ అగ్రికల్చర్ టూల్స్ యూటిలైజ్డ్ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సిబ్లింగ్ స్టిక్ అంటే గుల్ల కర్ర అంటారు. సిబ్లింగ్ స్టిక్స్, డిబ్లింగ్ స్టిక్ అంటే గుల్ల కర్ర, డిబ్లింగ్ స్టిక్స్. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ స్పేడ్, పార వంటి ఉపయోగిస్తారు. ఓన్లీ డిబ్లింగ్ స్టిక్ అండ్ ఆల్సో స్పేడ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఓల్డ్ అగ్రికల్చర్ టూల్స్. One is characters. It is farming by the tribal groups. It is cultivating at agency areas. It is an ancient old agriculture tools utilized frequently in this agriculture method. Example one is dibbling stick and second one is spade. Generally, it is absolutely depend on monsoons. ఇది పూర్తిగా వేటిపై ఆధారపడింది? ఇట్ ఈస్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ మాన్సూన్స్. One is, it is an absolutely depend on monsoons. Old agriculture tools utilized frequently. Example one is dibbling sticks and second one is spade. Next one, cultivating at agency areas, cultivating farming by tribal groups. Another names of shifting type of agriculture. For example, another names of shifting type of agriculture. Another names of shifting type of agriculture. Shall I repeat? Yes. Okay. Next one, another names of shifting type of agriculture. They are, one is shifting type of agriculture. Another names. Shifting type of agriculture. Another names of shifting type of agriculture. One is slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture. And next one is slash and burn agriculture. Second one is Podu agriculture. Podu agriculture. And the third one is Podu agriculture. Kumri or Kumari. Kumri or Kumari. Next one is Zoom agriculture. Zoom agriculture. First one, slash and burn agriculture, and second thing is Podu agriculture, Kumri or Kumari. Next one is Zoom agriculture. Generally, these are another names of shifting type of agriculture. These are another names of shifting type of agriculture. For example, the Zoom agriculture farming by tribal peoples in northeastern states. ఈశాన్య రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఎక్కువగా చేస్తారు. నార్త్ ఈస్టర్న్ స్టేట్స్. ద జూమ్ అగ్రికల్చర్ farming by tribal peoples in northeastern states, particularly one is Assam and Meghalaya states. Zoom agriculture. Next one, Kumri or Kumari. It is also shifting type of It is also ancient agriculture method. It is also an ancient agriculture method, Kumri or Kumari. It is farming by tribal groups, cultivating at Western Ghats in Kerala. Western Ghats in Indian state of Kerala. Okay, next one, Podu agriculture. Next one is Podu agriculture. The Podu agriculture, particularly Podu agriculture, very, very important topic. Podu agriculture. The Podu agriculture in the state of Telangana, in the Indian state of Telangana, shifting type of agriculture is known as Podu agriculture. In Indian state of Telangana, shifting type of agriculture is known as Podu agriculture. The Podu agriculture is farming by Kondareddy tribal groups. Kondareddy tribal group. The Podu agriculture farming by Kondareddy tribal groups in the state of Telangana. So generally, the Podu agriculture in the state of Telangana, the Podu agriculture farming by Kondareddy peoples. The Kondareddy tribal groups cultivating this type of agriculture method, cultivating at Bison Hills. ఎక్కడ సాగు చేస్తున్నారు ఈ యొక్క కొండరెడ్డి అనే పీపుల్స్? కొండరెడ్డి ట్రైబల్ గ్రూప్స్ కల్టివేటింగ్ Podu agriculture, కల్టివేటింగ్ అట్ బైసన్ హిల్స్. జనరలీ బైసన్ హిల్స్ అనగానే మీరు ఒక విషయం, ద రివర్ సబరి అండ్ సీలేరు రివర్స్, the Sabari and Sileri rivers flows towards Bison Hills, and drains into Godavari river, near Konavaram. Konavaram అనే ప్లేస్ వద్ద ఏమవుతున్నాయంటే the Sabari and Sileru rivers joining with Godavari river at Konavaram. Konavaram is a Polavaram dip mandal. ముంపు మండలం ఇది, పోలవరం డిప్ మండల్. Okay, these are important points about food agriculture. Okay, next one, shifting type of agriculture. Another names, one is slash and burn agriculture, podu agriculture, kumri or kumari, zoom agriculture. These are another names of shifting type of agriculture. Next one, what are the important characters? And for example, one is it is farming by tribal groups or tribal peoples. Next one, cultivating at agency area, hill areas, old agriculture tools utilized frequently. Next one, example one is dibbling stick and second one is spade. Next one, absolutely depend on మాన్సూన్స్, పూర్తిగా ఋతుపవనాలపై ఆధారపడిన వ్యవసాయం. ఎస్, ఓకే, షల్ ఐ రిపీట్? ఎస్, ఓకే. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ కమర్షియల్ అగ్రికల్చర్. కమర్షియల్ అగ్రికల్చర్. How to increase the crops production? These are important factors to increase the agriculture crops production. In commercial agriculture, the main purpose is commercial agriculture. Commercial agriculture. Commercial agriculture, one is commercial agriculture. Next one, these are important factors are utilized to increase the crops production. What are the important factors? What are the important factors utilized to increase the crops production? అన్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం చెప్పాలంటే, పంట ఉత్పత్తిని పెంచడానికి కమర్షియల్ అగ్రికల్చర్లో ఏం చేస్తారంటే, టు ఇంక్రీజ్ ద క్రాప్స్ ప్రొడక్షన్, these are important factors. For example, these are important factors. These are important factors are utilized to enhance the crops production. What are they? They are, one is HYV. One is, and second thing is chemical fertilizers. One is chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers. Next one, commercial agriculture. Commercial, what are the important factors to enhance the crops production? One is important factors, or one is HYV. HYV stands for high yielding varieties. High yielding varieties. High yielding varieties, one is HYV, and second one is chemical fertilizers, and the third one is pesticides and insecticides. Next one, fertile soils. These are important factors to increase the crops production. What are they? What are the important factors? One is high yielding varieties, HYV, and second thing is chemical fertilizers, and third one is pesticides and insecticides, and fourth one is fertile soils. These are important factors to increase the crops production in commercial agriculture. Okay.